It saves me money and works better than any dry cleaner. My curtains come out bright as snow, and the best part? You probably have everything you need right in your kitchen. Start by filling a large bowl with just under a gallon of water. To get amazing results, we're blending a few easy tricks into one super soak. First, add 3 tablespoons of salt. It's great for lifting stains and restoring that bright white color. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid, followed by 3 tablespoons of baking soda for an extra boost. Then, stir in a tablespoon of baking powder. And here's the surprise ingredient. Drop in 2 aspirin tablets. Yep, aspirin. It works wonders. Let your curtains soak in this mixture for about 2 hours. After that, just toss them into the washing machine and run your usual cycle. Since the fabric is already pre-treated, there's no deep scrubbing needed, and the results? Fresh, bright, and beautifully clean curtains. Honestly, it works better than Bleach.